Jennifer, my dear, dear, dear friend, I wanted to send you something on this auspicious day, this very special day when you celebrate your half century. Let's not think of it that way. I wanted to do something to help show you how important you are to me. You're my dearest, closest friend. I've depended on you so many times in the past, and I love you. And I thought it would be nice if I found a poem that I could read for you. And I spent quite a lot of time looking. A lot of poems about friendship are just revolting. They're just schmaltzy and bleh. So it took me quite a while, but I found one that for me encapsulated the oneness of us, the fact that we both come from very similar backgrounds, we have such similar ideas, we generally speaking think the same thing about lots of things, and it just in a funny way spoke to our relationship to me. So here is my friendship poem for you, Jim. Us two. Wherever I am, there's always Pooh. There's always Pooh and me. Whatever I do, he wants to do. Where are you going today? Says Pooh. Well, that's very odd, 'cause I was too. Let's go together, says Pooh, says he. Let's go together, says Pooh. What's twice 11? I said to Pooh. Twice what? Said Pooh to me. I think it ought to be 22. Just what I think myself, said Pooh. It wasn't an easy sum to do, but that's what it is, said Pooh, said he. That's what it is, said Pooh. Let's look for dragons, I said to Pooh. Yes, let's, said Pooh to me. We crossed the river and found a few. Yes, those are dragons, all right, said Pooh. As soon as I saw their beaks, I knew. That's what they are, said Pooh, said he. That's what they are, said Pooh. Let's frighten the dragons, I said to Pooh. That's right, said Pooh to me. I'm not afraid, I said to Pooh, and I held his paw and I shouted, Shoo! Silly old dragons, and off they flew. I wasn't afraid, said Pooh, said he. I'm never afraid with you. So wherever I am, there's always Pooh, there's always Pooh and me. What would I do, I said to Pooh, if it wasn't for you? And Pooh said, true. It isn't much fun for one, but two can stick together, says Pooh, says he. That's how it is, says Pooh. So, as well as the oneness, and there hasn't been enough oneness this year, just because of circumstances, and as soon as we can, we need to rectify that and go and be together again. But the thing that made me laugh was the verse about what's twice 11, because it just completely reminded me of organising that fun run when we were in uni, and working out that however many teams we had of however many runners was 796 runners, which it quite plainly wasn't. Jen, as I say, I love you, my best friend. I'm thinking of you today. I'm sending you all my love. I hope you're going to do something fabulous that involves being incredibly spoiled, and have a fabulous, fantastic day. Love you to bits.